Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Chorizo Seco is a fantastic dry-cured sausage, packed with rich, smoky flavors. Because it's already cured, it's actually ready to eat straight from the package, making it incredibly convenient. However, a little heat truly unlocks its full potential, transforming it into something even more delightful for your palate. Get ready to experience its amazing versatility in your cooking. Before you start cooking, slice your chorizo seco into nice, even rounds, about a 1/4 inch thick. You might notice a thin, edible casing on the outside. It's perfectly fine to leave it on, but some people prefer to gently peel it away for a smoother bite. This small preparation step ensures your chorizo will cook evenly and release all its wonderful flavors into your dish. To pan fry, simply heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Chorizo seco releases its own flavorful oils as it cooks, so you usually won't need much, if any, additional oil. Arrange the slices in a single layer and cook them for just a few minutes per side until they are nicely browned and slightly crispy. The aroma will be incredible as it cooks, promising a delightful treat. Chorizo seco is wonderfully versatile and can elevate many dishes effortlessly. Try adding slices to scrambled eggs or omelets for a hearty, flavorful breakfast. It's also fantastic tossed into pasta sauces, simmering stews, or even a simple paella. Just drop it in during the last few minutes of cooking to let its distinct flavors infuse, transforming your entire meal with minimal effort. Enjoy your cooked chorizo seco as a simple tapa, alongside some crusty bread and a few olives. It's also excellent as a flavorful addition to any charcuterie board, or simply enjoyed on its own as a savory snack. Pair it with a robust red wine or a crisp, cold beer for a truly satisfying experience. There are so many delicious ways to savor this wonderful ingredient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.